So is exciting. I've been building this framework called VEngine, and this is a demo app that I'm working on that shows what VEngine does. And VEngine is a sync framework to share in real time the data. And I've been working on some of these things for a while, and today I was able to ensure that the sync completes between two people. And I know this sounds simple in practice, but underneath, technically, there's a lot of complexity. And this is an example of a classical example of to-do list or like project management, task management app. And these are two different instances, two different people that have signed up. And if I create a task, then this will be created in real time on the other account peer. And if I move it across, that moves it across as well in the other browser. And I can edit it, and that will also change it on the other side. And changing it in real time from one user changes the status as well in real time on the other side. And VEngine is a sync framework, but it's more than a sync framework. It has some other features, capabilities, including encryption, SQL projection of the data, uh, group permissions. So you sync your data accordingly to who has the permission to actually read or access the data, and actually more features as well. This is interesting because some of the next things that I'll be working on will be improving the framework and then build the cloud infrastructure around it.